Kajingeki kinong Trace All Nehu Workers Union ANWU bandawa nagibor pa penya ya school ba North Eastern Hills University Nehu ban penskem ki kam ki jam ban ai ki tulop kumi kinong tre pura ban penbiang ya ki jingdan kam ba bonjat menta kini baro ki jingdawa kila sakut tang haka Thma Ktien Hapdeng ka ANWU pat ka Nehu u Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla ula Krenshai bakat ka ba kini kinong tre ki dei hok banjo la siu haki manu benai ya kajindawa ban penskem kam ula ongba kam shong haka borjum u henry de sorkar India kabala ban shim bat a ya kanu karai.
You said from our union side we have been changing charter of demand time by time. So regarding that, we would like to clarify to everyone, including our respected VC, that there's only one charter of demand from our side. The only charter of demand being sent by the workers of Nehu was on 29 April 2022. And after that, all the letters being sent, they are part and parcel of the charter of demand. After that, we have sent other letters like the provisions we requested university to provide safety kits to workers like mask, glove. Like as far as we know, collection, data have been collected that many of the workers have to do clean with bare hands. So including the sanitation workers. So from our side, we have demanded university for that, including health insurance. As far as collect data we have collected, those workers who have crossed 20,000, they are not getting any ASI scheme or any health insurance scheme from Nehu. That's when anything happen, they have to bear their own medical expenses. If anything happen, including those accidents happen in the workplace. And one more thing, also in the press release and press conference given by our respected PC, that he said there are 3 letters being sent to university and received by the negotiation committee. But to be frank to you, the negotiation committee was constituted on the 8th July 2022. And prior to that, there's no negotiation committee. And we are also against the negotiation committee since the negotiation committee couldn't fulfill any demands put up by the workers. And there's no clarification to what happened, and we don't know what we were about of it. And in the recent press conference given by BBC, we were informed that the data collection of workers is going on. From our side, we wanted to know from university side, where have you reached? How many workers have submitted their documents, and how many of them be collected by the university, technically by the administration of university. Until now, we found out that there's no collection of document in university. From administration side, never issue any notice to any workers to submit their birth certificate, maybe they're joining anything. We found out that there's no database in campus.
Employees include 553 unskilled, 625 semi-skilled, 734 skilled and 806 highly skilled workers, where the monthly pay of these workers is rupees 19,202, rupees 21,443, rupees 24,004 and rupees 26,936 respectively. Whereas as per the RTI filed by the legal advisor of this union, the statement made by the Nehu authority is incorrect, and the total number of these casual workers working in Nehu who are directly appointed by the Nehu, they are 323 from Shillong and 39 are from Tura campus. And the monthly pay of these workers who are working both in Nehu, Shillong and Nehu Tura. For unskilled, it is 16,380. For semi-skilled, it's 18,510. And rupees 21,720 for skilled categories, and for 23,850 for highly skilled categories respectively. So if these numbers of workers who are working in Nehu, as per stated by the Nehu authorities, there are a total number of 1,912 employees. So if these total number of 1,912 employees are working or are existing in Nehu. The question is, where is the money go?